Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
Okay.
Godspeed, Spider-Man.
Huh?
Try again.
Oh no!
Here we go.
Nope.
I'm Batman.
Here we go.
Nope.
Yahoo!
Let's put a smile on that face.
Here we go.
Oh no! Yahoo!
Hello, I'm Venom.
Okay, let's go. Huh?
Try again.
Oh no!
Nope. Nope.
Yahoo!
Nope.
What the hell?
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nope.
Let's go.
Nope.
Here we go.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nope.
Let's go.
Oh no!
だってばよ。
Here we go.
Oh no! Yahoo!
だってば
Okay, let's go.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Nope.
Oh
Nope.
Here we go!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nope.
Okay.
Enjoy this day. Welcome.
Here we go! Damn, boy!
Bring the battle here.
To infinity and beyond.
Join as one.
Hi, I'm Superman. Hello, I'm Spider-Man.
Welcome to your nightmares!
Yoink.
Nice.
Here we go!
These Wakandans should consider praying to a different god. I happen to be free.
king.
Wait a minute!
Okay, let's go.
Yoink.
Nice.
Here we go again.
Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy.
My people look forward to the afterlife. I had my doubts you would survive long.
Nice.
I'm ready!
Man, everything's frozen. Yoink, yoink.
Nice. Nice.
Wait a minute!
Okay, let's go.
I've let too many people down. Not on my watch. Ready for any fight. Victory is ours.
Nice.
No.
every bone in your body.
Enough. This is taking too long.
Nice.
No mood swings, behavioral changes. Patient interview. The inscription reads, Ophelia. The victim had a hip replacement. Then I burn every plant in Gotham. Tell me. Enemy spotted. Nope. I found the mutilated body Cash was talking about. I'm going to try and establish a cause of death.
Nice.
Most likely a chlorine-based substance.
Yeah, boy!
What the dog doing?
Nice.
We don't have much time. It's time for nightfall.
for the entertainment.
It's gonna rip your mind apart. I know where Stag left his prints. I just have to scan those locations.
You're only making it worse for yourself, Stag.
Use that console to disable the airship's defenses.
Welcome and enjoy this day.
Hello there.
Here we go!
Everyone attack! Attack here! Join Hulk! Come to Hulk!
Nice.
Monster Hulk not ready!
Yoink!
I'm a green, mean fighting machine. Guess you need to learn the hard way.
Nice.
Yoink! Yoink!
Don't get on an ogre's bad side.
Oh, hell no!
Well, Mr. Jordan, are you ready to right some wrongs?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at? Here we go, bingo! Here we go! Ho 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 ho! Mamma mia! Wow 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 wow! Yeah! Yoink! Oh! I'm Luigi! Yoink!
Hell yeah!
Number one!
No? Unless they go into another dimension.
Okay, let's go.
Exactly. Now let's make our own tornado.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at? Oh my god!
boy.
Whenever I was out there facing down the bad guys, I think, what would Superman do?
Here we go! Damn, boy.
Oh my God!
Nope.
Here we go! Damn, boy.
Fastest man alive, ready to go. Fastest man alive, ready to go. Be there in a flash.
Nope.
Back in a flash.
Nope.
Back in a flash. Go charge your ring or something. I got your back, Hal. And I'll scout him out too. Let's go!
Here we go! Yahoo!
I got your back, Hal. And I'll scout him out too.
James B. Sullivan at your service.
Here we go!
It was a total team effort today.
Yahoo!
Yoink!
Oh my God!
Nope. The record's in the bag.
Yahoo!
Of course, I did learn from the best. Okay.
Yeah, baby.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Here we go!
Of course, I did learn from the best. Looks like you may be out of a job. Something's definitely not right here.
Yahoo!